Assalamu alaikum, the students of class 11 12. How are you? I hope you are well and fine today. Today is lecture from chapter 7, gymnosperm and angiosperm. My previous lecture was in June class, and we were started the chapter 7 and discuss also the sample character of cycas. Cycas is a gymnospermic plant. Okay, gymnosperm here. What is gymnosperm? Characteristics of gymnosperm and vegetative structure of cycas. Okay, vegetative structure here. Stem, root, polaroid root. Okay, leaf also. Today is starting reproduction, cycas reproduction. Okay, the reproduction of cycas. Here bulbil is produced at the base of the scales. It helps in vegetative reproduction. Okay, cycas is a heterosporous plant. That means it has two types of spore. One is microspore and another is megaspore. Microspores are produced within the microsporangium of the microsporophyll, and megaspores are produced within the megasporangium or within the megasporangium of the megasporophylls. Okay, megasporophyll and microsporophyll are produced in different cycas plant. So it is asexual reproduction. Okay, here two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay, two types of reproduction you can found in this cycas plant. Okay, the part of cycas containing density condensed microsporophyll is called cone or strobilus. Okay, so in asexual reproduction you can see microsporophyll and megasporophyll. Okay, but in the sexual reproduction you can found cone or strobilus. First one you can see male strobilus. Okay, here this type of organ, this type of, this is 1 2 3 4, and here this type of you can see, this is male strobilus. Here structure is like that. Okay, please follow this. Okay, here this is male strobilus in sexual reproduction. Okay, in sexual reproduction you can found male strobilus, male strobilus, cone or strobilus. It grows in male plant. Eta male plant hobe. Microsporophyll is flat and light. Here microsporophyll is flat and like that of a scale. One microsporophyll, if we see, so this type of structure. Here this type of structure. Okay, and this is sorus. Here you can found this type of sorus. This is microsporophyll, a microsporophyll. Here one, a microsporophyll, sporophyll, PHYLL, okay, sporophyll. This portion like apophysis, and this is called sorus. Okay, so this type of you can see in male plant. Okay, microsporophyll is flat and like that of a scale. Microspores are produced in the numerous microsporangium at the under surface of microsporophyll. Okay, 3 called vegetative cell, male sperm cell and tube cell. Male gamete is produced after germination of microsporophore. Microsporophore is released with this 3 cell condition. Okay, 2 mobile sperm cells are produced from each, this taking the shape of top. Microspores are quite big, biggest of the all plants and multiflagellated. এখান থেকে যে শুক্রাণুটা হবে, ঠিক আছে, স্পামটা হবে, সেটা হচ্ছে উদ্ভিদ জগতের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বড় এবং এটা হবে মাল্টিফ্লাজেলেটেড। ঠিক আছে, এই স্পামটা হবে মাল্টিফ্লাজেলেটেড। আসলে সাইকাসে স্পামটা হয় এইরকম, হ্যাঁ, তো এরকম এখান থেকে অনেকগুলো মাল্টিফ্লাজেলেটেড তৈরি হয়। হ্যাঁ, এটা হচ্ছে একটা স্পাম। যদি আমরা দেখি একটা সাইকাসের স্পামকে যদি দেখো তাহলে এরকম মাল্টিফ্লাজেলেটেড আমরা দেখতে পাবো। ওকে, মেগাস্পোরোফিল আর প্রডিউস ফ্রিলি অ্যাট দ্য অ্যাপেক্স অফ ফিমেল সাইকাস প্ল্যান্ট। এখন আমরা মেগাটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ঠিক আছে, মাইক্রোস্পোরোফিল আমরা ক্লিয়ার। এখন দেখো মেগাস্পোরোফিলটা কেমন থাকে। মেগাস্পোরোফিলটা থাকে এখানে ওভিউলগুলো 2, 3 and this type of structure. Okay, here same and এই যে ওকে এরকম। আচ্ছা, and this is red in color. হ্যাঁ, this ovule, this is red in color, red color. Okay, দেখো this is megasporophyll, megasporophyll. Okay, okay, দেখো megasporophyll are produced freely at the apex of the female cycas plant. Okay, cycas plant male and female, they are different. Okay, remember it. At young age a crown of megasporophyll. Okay, crown just like mukut. At young age a crown of megasporophyll develop, but at maturity they become separate. Okay, this type of separate, and it consists of a rosette of sporophyll resembling reduced foliage leaves. The megasporophyll are flat and there is no chlorophyll. Okay, so this is red in color. At the two sides of megasporophylls the ovules or eggs are produced. Here one side and one side. Okay, two side. The ovule or eggs are produced. There are 2 to 4 ovules or eggs in each megasporophyll. Okay, 2 থেকে 4 জোড়া। ঠিক আছে, pairs. Here 3 pairs. Okay, in the megasporophyll each megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis cell division and produce 4 megaspores in a row. Okay, 3 of them degenerate and the 4th megaspore germinate inside the ovule or egg and develop into a female gametophyte. Okay, so here male gamete and here female gamete produce. So fertilization is compulsory. Okay, then fertilization. Fertilization. Okay, fertilization. Cycas is wind pollinated plant. Okay, যদিও সাইকাস প্ল্যান্টটা অনেক বড়, তবুও দিস ইজ উইন্ড পলিনেটেড প্ল্যান্ট। ওকে, উইন্ড পলিনেটেড। Okay, cycas is wind pollinated plant. The microspore fused with the ovule. Here, microspore fused with the ovule. This is ovum, huh? OVUM. Acha. Fused with the ovule after being carried by wind to the ovule or egg. Okay, being carried by the wind. Okay, carried by wind to the ovule or egg. Ovule or egg which is produced inside the upper region of the archegonia of the female gametophyte. Here you can see a new term, that is archegonia. Archegonia. Archegonia is a female. Okay, Archegonia female. Female means this. Okay, Archegonia of the female gametophyte. And Antheridia. Antheridium. Okay, this is male. Here male. Okay, Archegonia is female and Antheridium is male. Two new words. Okay, so ovule or egg which is produced inside the upper region of the archegonia of the female gametophyte. So a zygote is produced after fertilization of the ovule by the motile microspore. Here produce pro-embryo. Okay, pro-embryo is formed by the free cell division of zygote. You know, after fertilization, zygote divide and divide. Okay, more divide, and cell division is occurs here, and they produce pro-embryo. Okay, embryo is developed from pre-embryo. Here pre-embryo, pre or pro-embryo, huh? And here from pre-embryo থেকে তৈরি হবে embryo. Okay, pre-embryo থেকে embryo. Embryo is developed from pre-embryo. It takes a year to mature an embryo. এটা হতে কত সময় লাগবে? 1 year, মনে রেখো, ঠিক আছে? It takes a year to mature an embryo. The ovule after maturation turns into seed. Okay, the ovule after maturation turns into seed. The seed is fleshy, orange or red in color. Okay, fleshy, orange or red in color. A new cycas plant is germinated from the seed. So that's all the sexual reproduction in cycas. And in this question, this 1, 2 and 3 figure is must. Then go to angiosperm. Okay, angiospermy. Gymnosperm is completed. Then go to angiospermy. Okay, angiospermy. দেখো, the seed producing plants where the seeds are covered by the food. Okay, by the fruits. By the fruits seeds are covering are known as angiosperms. They are so called because the seed is not seen from outside, rather they remain inside the fruit. Okay, angiosperm. And the other name of the angiosperm is flowering plants also. flowering plants. Here seed produce and seed germination you can see, and seeds are also monocot or dicot. You know what is monocot, one seed, and what is dicot, two seed. Okay, individually. Here angiosperm may be so teeny, so teeny, such as Olfia, that is only 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter. Okay, Olfia, that is so teeny, and so tall, like as eucalyptus. Okay, eucalyptus you can found around 50 to 500 feet. Okay, so angiosperm may be teeny or may be large. Then what is angiosperm? 1 marks. And then characteristics of angiosperm. Characteristics of angiosperm. Okay, angiosperm, this is the 2 nong question. Okay, characteristics of angiosperm, at least 4 character. So first one, plants are sporophyte. Plants are sporophyte, autotrophic and heterosporous. The body is not woody or woody, evergreen or deciduous, annual or perennial. Okay, the carpel is generally divided into ovary, style and stigma. Female carpel. Okay, divided 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. Ovary is a closed chamber. Ovules are formed inside the ovary. Okay, ovules are formed inside the ovary. After fertilization, ovule is transformed into seed. Okay, you know, I think you know, after fertilization, ovary turns into fruit and ovule turns into seeds. You know, I think. So, ovary is a closed chamber. Ovules are formed inside the ovary. After fertilization, ovule is transformed into seed. Then another point, flowers are solitary or in inflorescence in all plants. Okay, flower may be solitary or inflorescence. The male gamete is always non-motile. ঠিক আছে, the male gamete is always non-motile and archegonia are absent. Here endosperm forms after fertilization, which is triploid. Okay, triploid means thrice-n. Male gamete is N and secondary nucleus is twice N. So here you can see thrice-n. Okay, after fertilization, here endosperm forms after fertilization, which is triploid. This is known as triploid. Okay, thrice-n. This is triploid. Double fertilization take place in all cases. Okay, here double fertilization you can see. So clear alternation of generation present. At least 4 identify character you must learn. Okay, here this. So that's all. Today's lecture is that's all. Next class you will see in Zoom class Saturday. Till then, stay well and safe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.